Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about unable to use gift cards on Amazon, and here's what you need to do. So first, go to the official website. Make sure you are logged in into the correct account. All right. Then on the search bar, just look for customer service. Then click on the first option, which is this blue colored icon. Over here, payment, charges, or gift cards. Select that and then problem with the gift card. Over here, then you have the option which is unable to use a gift card. Now read this carefully because you might need to know this information about the limitations that they can do about your gift card. And after you have successfully read this message, or if you have the information that they need, you to prepare beforehand, click on I need more help. Start chatting now. If this option is available, great. But if not, you can click on connect with an associate so that you can communicate through a phone call. Enter your phone number, click on call me now, and then someone, as long as they're available from the Amazon team, will contact you in a few minutes or throughout the whole day. Okay? And that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.